Have you ever wondered what goes into the process of pig breeding and meat production? In this video, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the truth about the entire pig breeding and processing journey. From farm to table, we'll walk you through each step, from selecting the healthiest pigs to the high-tech processes involved in getting pork to your plate. Whether you're curious about farming practices, sustainability, or just how pigs are raised and processed, this video offers an honest and in-depth look at the industry. Let's dive in and uncover the truth behind pig breeding and processing.
Choosing the right pig breeds isn't just a decision, it's a game changer for productivity and meat quality. You have to consider their origin and their growth potential. Anything less could mean the difference between a thriving operation and a struggling one. When it comes to the slaughtering process, precision is key. Following strict procedures ensures not only hygiene but also the safety of the meat. Once slaughtered, the pork undergoes meticulous cleaning and classification before it enters refrigeration. Every step counts in this critical phase. Now, let's not forget about modern technology. It's transforming the pork processing stages like never before. With advancements enhancing productivity, food safety isn't compromised. Innovative farming models, especially organic pig farming, are capturing the interest of many farmers today. In fact, these advancements in meat processing technology are vital for elevating hygiene, boosting production efficiency, and improving product quality. These improvements yield better outcomes for producers and consumers alike. But how can farmers keep up? Farmers face a daunting challenge: implementing strict disease prevention measures. Quarantines and consistent barn cleaning become non-negotiable to tackle threats like African swine fever. The stakes are high, and the risks are real. As consumer preferences shift towards organic and clean meat, farms and processing plants must rise to the occasion. Adhering to rigorous food safety and quality standards is no longer optional, it's a requirement for survival in this competitive market. Moreover, traceability systems in farming, like Global GAP certification, open doors to enhanced export opportunities and elevate economic value. But with great power comes great responsibility. Environmental challenges in pig farming must be addressed as well. In response, many farms are now integrating biogas systems, turning waste into energy while slashing costs and minimizing environmental impact. And let's not overlook bedding technology, which boosts waste treatment efficiency and helps control unpleasant odors. Economic pressures loom large, with fluctuating pork prices dramatically influencing farmers. To counter this volatility, implementing a value chain linkage model becomes crucial, stabilizing production and managing input costs effectively. The emergence of alternative meat technologies, think artificial and plant-based meats, is altering market dynamics and shifting consumer preferences, particularly in developed countries. This trend reshapes the very landscape of the pork industry. Furthermore, as consumers grow increasingly aware of food safety and quality, the demand for organic pork and antibiotic-free products surges. Consequently, many farms are pivoting towards organic farming models to meet this rising expectation. Lastly, the integration of digital technologies, including IoT and AI, is revolutionizing pig farming. These tools enhance productivity and ensure food safety. They empower farmers to monitor health and automate processes, essential strides in this competitive arena. Picture this: maintaining cleanliness and optimal conditions in the barn isn't just a chore, it's the backbone of pig health. Imagine the vital role temperature control plays, paired with a robust feeding system. These are the essentials for thriving animals.
Now, let's delve deeper.
Vaccination and consistent health monitoring stand as the first line of defense against disease in pigs. Farmers must embrace these practices wholeheartedly. They are not merely optional but critical for sustaining a healthy herd and driving productivity. Shift your focus to the processing phase of pork.
Hier, strict Hygienestandards meet cutting-edge technology.
This powerful combination ensures that the final products not only meet safety regulations but also stand ready for the competitive consumer market. But there's more on this journey. The introduction of QR codes revolutionizes how consumers trace product origins, establishing an unprecedented level of trust and transparency within the pork supply chain. This innovation empowers consumers, allowing them to make informed purchasing decisions. As we press on, we can't overlook the significance of adhering to food safety standards like ISO 22000 and Viet GAP. This unwavering commitment solidifies Vietnamese pork's standing in international markets, ultimately reinforcing consumer confidence across the globe. Furthermore, advanced breeding techniques paired with stringent disease control measures are paramount for maintaining healthy livestock. This dedication directly contributes to the exceptional quality of pork products that hit the shelves. And let's not forget the pressing issue of environmental protection in pig farming. Embracing biogas systems and effective wastewater treatment, farmers are minimizing pollution while cleverly transforming waste into renewable energy. It's a win-win for both the planet and the industry. As technology advances, farmer efficiency does too. Powerful systems, including sensor technology and management software, elevate monitoring of pig health, significantly boosting production efficiency and saving labor on expansive farms. Now, consider the integration of processing and distribution enterprises. This collaboration forms a closed production chain that stabilizes output while mitigating price risks for farmers navigating the market. In the realm of production, automated processes in slaughtering and butchering reduce manual contact. This critical step not only safeguards hygiene but also ensures the safety of pork products throughout their journey. It's a vital measure for consumer trust and health. The impact of traceability cannot be underestimated. With QR codes on packaging, consumers gain access to comprehensive information about the entire production process. This initiative builds a solid foundation of transparency and confidence in the product. Finally, modern production lines and tech marvels play a pivotal role in upholding high quality and safety standards for processed pork products. These strategic investments are not just about compliance, they're about enhancing market competitiveness and ensuring consumer satisfaction. In conclusion, the path taken from barn to table is fraught with intention, care, and innovation. By embracing these practices, the industry not only nurtures livestock but also enriches the lives of consumers who depend on them. Farmers meticulously select pig breeds, weighing factors like growth rate, disease resistance, and meat quality. Breeds such as Yorkshire and Duroc take center stage in this strategic selection. But why is this foundation so critical to successful breeding? Without it, the entire operation could falter. As we delve deeper, we find that the proper care of pregnant sows and their piglets stands as a pillar of success. Adequate nutrition and vigilant health monitoring during those early days can spell the difference between life and death. This raises a crucial question: are we doing enough to ensure high survival rates? Moreover, environmental management plays a pivotal role. From barn construction to effective waste treatment, the conditions in which pigs live can either prevent disease or foster it. What lurking threats lie within poorly managed environments, waiting to compromise the health of the herd? The weaning process emerges as a critical phase for piglets, marking their transition to meat production at 21 to 28 days old. This delicate period demands careful attention. The right care can significantly reduce the risks of malnutrition. But what happens if this transition isn't managed correctly? Controlling diet and farm conditions becomes the next battleground, influencing growth rates and meat quality with striking effectiveness. Adjusting nutrition based on developmental stages is essential to achieving optimal weight for market sale. Can any miscalculation result in devastating losses? Thus, strict management practices unfold as the linchpin in this process. From breed selection to vigilant disease prevention, every step contributes to high economic efficiency. This meticulous attention ensures the production of clean and safe food. But how can we guarantee that every consumer receives only the best? In the pork processing realm, dehairing and organ removal stand out as crucial steps. Precision is non-negotiable here, as even the slightest error could lead to contamination. This relentless pursuit of cleanliness safeguards the meat for consumption. What unseen risks lie in wait if these steps are compromised? Moving on, the cooling stage becomes essential, not merely for reducing bacteria, but also for firming the meat. This is followed by an organized cutting process, where parts are classified based on market demand. But in this complex dance, are we ensuring that we meet consumer expectations? A traceability system is woven throughout the entire production process, allowing for the tracking of meat origins and effective management of food safety issues. Each batch brandishes a unique QR code, a beacon for monitoring. But can this system handle the myriad challenges of food transparency? To further enhance meat freshness, modified atmosphere packaging technology steps into the spotlight. This innovation employs gas mixtures to thwart oxidation during storage, playing a crucial role in preserving quality. Yet, what potential threats lurk in unprotected environments? Quality control tests conducted in-house laboratories keep a vigilant eye on essential indicators, like antibiotic residues and harmful bacteria. Compliance with food safety standards is paramount, aiming to protect consumer health. But how can we be sure that every test is executed flawlessly? Finally, refrigerated transportation emerges as a vital lifeline, maintaining meat quality during distribution. This ensures products are stored at stable temperatures until they reach retail points and ultimately, the consumers. Are we truly prepared for the challenges of getting fresh meat into every home?